you. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heart.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. So today's video is sponsored by Tipstar. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing this channel bag from tipstar.ru. They've got beautiful bags, they've got lovely products on their website. You need to check out their website. So I'm going to be unboxing this channel bag. So I don't really have any channel black bag, or should I say I don't have a small channel black bag. That's why I decided to go for this particular one, and we're going to be doing the unboxing together. So let me open it so that you guys will see what it's like inside. They've got beautiful bags on their website, so I love the packaging. Lovely box. Okay, this is it guys. Let's open.
Only time will tell. You know what this is.
Guys, I've got with me Chanel black bag. This is pure leather. I love the texture of this bag. Honestly, they've got amazing product. All you need to do is to check out their website. I'm sure you're going to see something for you. And the good thing about this bag is that you don't have to break the bank. So if you're looking for Chanel bags, I know they are very expensive. You're going to see Chanel bags of £1,000, $1,000. If you're looking for a Chanel bag and you don't need to break the bank, they've got a lot of replicants, like lots of copies of different type of branded bags. And so if you're looking for copy bags, go and check out their website. It's quite affordable. Like I said, you don't have to break the bank to shop on their website, and their shipping is smooth. They've got a tracking number. You don't have to stress yourself and be like, oh, my item have not been reached, or stories like that. You don't have to stress yourself on that. They've got tracking number when they're sending their item. So guys, this is what their website looks like. It's so easy to use, so easy to access. At the top you see different brands. So let's say you want Chanel, you can see Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, any bag you want. You can also see shoes and accessories. Yeah, so these are some bags. Look at them. Look at how beautiful these bags are. By your right hand side, you can see my own bag. You can see the price is $368, and it's exactly like the real one. Like I told you guys, these are copies of of these brands. So I'm definitely gonna recommend this product to you guys. Check out their website. You might see one or two things that you like. Like I said, they are affordable. You don't have to go and start buying the original ones that are very expensive. So you can try these ones. They've got lovely finishing, and also you can check out their reviews and hear other people's opinion about the brands or the product. Go check out tipstar.ru. They've got beautiful, amazing product. Like I said, they've got shoes, bags. Just mention. All you need to do is that check on the description below, because I'm going to leave all that you need to know about this this product on the description below. Their website, their Instagram handle, all of that is going to be on the description below. So if you're looking for a Chanel bag, go and check them out. Like I said, I love this. And when I'll flex this beautiful Chanel bag, I'll definitely show you guys what it's like. I so much love it guys. So yeah, that is it for tipstar.ru. Go check them out and thank me later. I don't know why people like, what's Stella doing today? Yes, today I was supposed to be going to Leeds. Yeah, I was supposed to be going to Leeds for, I don't know what to call it, if it's induction or I don't know. I used to work for this agency in Leeds that I think I've talked about this agency one time on this channel. So I used to work for them, but I've been on maternity leave for over like 9 to 10 months now. So yeah, I want to still be picking shit from there because my mom is around and I want to be making like a small something every week to get something. So we're in January, but I don't even know when I'm posting this video. We're in January now. So my maternity leave will end in February, but I want to go there because they asked me to come there. I'll be doing some medication training. I'll be doing just like refreshing. Do you understand? So I was supposed to go there today, but something came up, so I did not go again. So I'll be going there I think tomorrow. Yeah, but anyway, the induction or the interview or the exam, whatever it is, I'll still add it to this video. Like I said, I don't know when I'll be posting this video, but this is early January. But this is what it's like to be a content creator. You make videos, and but to edit it there is something else. So that's by the way. Today I'll be making up. I don't know the English name, but it's called up. Just in case you don't know, like I said, I'm a Nigerian. So my husband is from Enugu, and Enugu people like okpa. So when my mommy was coming, he asked her to bring the powdered one. So she brought the powdered one. Since November, we said, okay, we'll make up, I will make up in this house. But to make it is wahala. So anyways, I came across this on YouTube. Can you see it here? I came across this on YouTube, so I'm going to be watching them and see how they make it. I just realized that it's not hard. The only thing they needed was pepper, maggi, salt, and finish. So yeah, so I decided that I'm going to make it. You can see the lady. You can see the way she's making it. I have been craving for this thing, but when I got married, I was eating this all the time in Enugu, to be honest. I enjoyed it though. So yes, I'm going to be making up. This is what I'll be making today. So I just decided to do this. So, and I'm going to be using pot because I don't want to use my bowl. The bowl is going to turn out to be something else. So I don't want to even use my plastic bowl because it's plastic, and anything you put oil is going to be really bad, so I don't want to use it. So like I said, there's nothing much. It's just salt, pepper, and maggi. But I blended some shombo, bell pepper. Shombo, is it bell pepper? I don't know. It's bell pepper. Yeah, I blended some bell pepper, so I'm just going to put it inside, and some crayfish. The lady did not really put crayfish, but I just want to put crayfish because I feel like if you're making moi moi, you put all of that. So I felt like, you know what, let me as well put my own crayfish. So I've got this here. I've got this. This is what I'm going to put in now. I can't remember what they call it. So guys, with my oil, so we have to put the palm oil first. The palm oil was so hard, so I had to put like hot water because I mean it's just to mix it. It's still hard though. So yes, it's just to mix palm oil and the powder. So guys, I had to put some of this in this pan because I don't want to, end up putting a lot. So yeah, I'll have to mix it with my hands, and yes, I've washed my hands. They're all washed. Okay. So let me put my hand in that because I'll have to mix it with my hand. Mix it very well. It's smelling like up now. But it's as if it's very soft too. Can you see? Wow, so this boy is looking. Should I put all the flour? So guys, the mixing was so bad that I had to blend it, and honestly it's really the blender is really helpful, honestly speaking. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just blending it. Guys, can you see? It's nice now. It looks nice, isn't it? Okay, it's time to put other ingredients. So guys, honestly it tastes really nice. I think you guys should try it. So this is my first time of trying to make this, so I think I really tried. So yeah, that's it for today's video.
The next day.
Hi guys, how you all doing today? So this is another beautiful morning. Yeah, so I'm going to Leeds. Yeah, I'm going to leave for a job interview. I don't know what's happening. I can see police cars here. Don't mind me. So I'm going to Leeds today for a job. Guys, yeah, this is me. This is Huddersfield train station. So let's go guys. So I'm definitely going to be vlogging. I'm going to show you guys around. No, now let me start with this train station. So guys, this is the small town where I live. This is our train station. Those of you that always say, where is this place? Where is this place? So guys, this is the train station, the small town where I live. Yep. So I'm just going to get my train. So I'm heading to Leeds. Leeds, from here to Leeds is around 20 something minutes. I don't know, I think like 20 to 30 minutes. Some trains go faster while some are a bit slow. So it's around 20 to 30 minutes. So yeah, not too bad. So even if you live in Huddersfield, you can still walk in Leeds. Some people that live here in Huddersfield walk in Leeds, so it's not very far, especially if you're using the train. So yeah, so my train is coming in. I'm late already. Platform 8. I don't want to miss this. I don't want to miss this train. Finally.
This is a Transparent Express service to Hull.
going to Leeds, this is not too far from Huddersfield, but I feel like with Leeds you've got better opportunity because I think it's a bigger city. Obviously, Huddersfield is a town, so yes, most of this recruitment agency you can get lots of them in Leeds, but not like they don't have in Huddersfield though. So don't think like this place is that bad, no. So but like I said, Huddersfield town to Leeds is not too far. So if you're planning to come to the UK, for me I feel like it's always good to go to, like, if you want to start your life, it's always good to go to a smaller town. In the UK, like, you can travel anywhere. It's so easy. I know it will cost you, but if you're a student, you can get a student discount instead of you going to all this bigger city where, you know, the house rent is something else, you know. I think you just consider all of that. For me, living here in Huddersfield is not too bad, to be honest. I know it's not as big as other cities, but like I said, it's a town. It's okay for me. I'm okay and I'm fine with it. I can walk wherever I want to walk, especially if you drive is a bonus. But at the moment, I've been struggling with my driving test. But hopefully, I believe I should pass my driving test soon. I'm still on my practical. I've done my theory test, but the practical have been something else, honestly. Driving here in the UK is quite different from, you know, driving back home. So finger crossed. So yeah, oh my god, this train is shaking up. This train is shaking up. Like, it's been so long, like for the past 1 year I've been just in my, you know, in my small house, in my small town and all of that. So today is just like after 1 year of staying indoor or staying at home, I'm now in a train. So because I've been on maternity leave, yeah, so this is like, I don't know if I should say it's the fun for me, or should I say, like, I feel okay, I feel relaxed, I feel good, you know, because it's been long. It's been really long. Yeah. So look at the beautiful views, some beautiful views. Can you live along the road like this? Like, because people that live along this road, I feel like people that live along this road will not be comfortable because all the time they'll be hearing noises, you know, the train noise and all of that. But it is what it is. Welcome to England. Welcome to England. So yeah, if you're in Leeds City, are you enjoying it? What's it like there? Leave me a comment what you guys think about Leeds. And well, that's just it for now. Let me chill and get to Leeds and continue my vlog.
Estoy loco por tocarte, pero no me atrevo a textearte. Tú solo bailas en mi mente, mi amor. No hay nadie más con que prefiera bailar, aguanta y baila como fuego.
So I'm at Leeds train station. You can see Leeds train station is big. Yeah, that is just me. It's difficult to like talk while filming because it's just so busy and noisy. So yeah, this is just it. I'm leaving the train station now. This is Leeds City, but like it's so long since I visited, or since I came to Leeds. It's been so long. Like, lots of things has changed here, especially the road work. Like things has really changed. So yeah, I'm in a bus stop waiting for my Uber. My Uber will be arriving soon. I think it should be somewhere around. I don't know. You can see a text there. I can see it right there. So yeah, that's my Uber. He's here. So yes, I'm in my taxi going to Pudsey in Leeds. So yeah. Oh my god, it's freezing. Where's my hand? My hands are freezing. God. Huh? So I'm here. Hello. Good morning. Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. I've got an appointment here today. So she's just sorting out my file. You know, it's over a year since I worked with them. So should I say she wants to reactivate the file and I'm busy filming. Yes, that's just what's happening there. And she was telling me I will need to do some medication training and all of that, because you know, as a senior carer you need to know how to do medication and all of that. So yeah, that's just what's happening. And I was telling her, do I need to do this training? Because I felt like, yeah, I've done this training, I've got the certificate and all of that. I don't know why I'm doing it again. But she said, yeah, it's over a year I've not done medication. So yes, that's what I was doing, and I'm busy, you know, still filming and doing my medication training. It's online though, everything is online. So I just needed the certificate though, so that's why I was doing it. But it was a lot, honestly, and I don't really like to sit down, read and do all of that. You can see, yeah, that's just my medication training, and there are other few things, and I've got some other training that needs doing. I was not the only person there though. There are other people, you know, busy with their own training too. We had to put that headphone, is it headphone they call it, so that everybody will concentrate. So yeah, that's just what I was doing. So I have finished my training already. I am just inside the bus going to train station. At this point, honestly, I was tired. Like, I was tired, but the hustle is real. Guys, I just remember that I did not, you know, finish my vlog, or should I say I did not end my vlog very well. So yeah, today is another beautiful day. I am yet to complete my core skills. They gave me this handout to read and answer the questions. That is after the medication training and plus exam. Should I call it exam or test? Although I called them to be sure if I have passed, because because I was not expecting it, to be honest. So they told me I passed, but they just needed me to complete this training and also send to them. So yeah, I'm about to read this, answer the questions and send to them. Well, like I said, if you have been following me, you know my mom is around, so I'm utilizing this opportunity. I decided to, you know, continue working with this agency because sometimes I pick one or two shifts, and most of their shifts are support work. Their shifts are not difficult, to be honest. They are based in Leeds, so it was a journey from here to Putsi in Leeds. So when you get to Leeds, going there is another journey. So this is a new year, my life is about to start. For the past 10-11 months, is it 10-11 months, I don't know, I've not been working because you guys know I'm on maternity leave. For those of you following me, you know I'm on maternity leave. But yeah, I need to get back to work now. So if you're watching this video, do you still prefer permanent job, or will you like to work for agency? For me as a person, I prefer my permanent job because I feel like you have, you know that, yeah, this is where you work. I know sometimes agency pay more, but like I said, I work 3 times in a week where I work, and then I pick shifts sometimes with agency when I want to pick shift. So I just feel like it's good to have a permanent job as a parent or as a mom, because working for agency sometimes it tends to travel. Do you understand? It tends to go from one place to another. But if you have a permanent job, you know this is where you work. But this week I know I work here, and if I want extra shift, I can always go to an agency and pick. So for me, I prefer permanent job. So if you're watching this, do you prefer working for agency, or like just share with me on the comment section which one do you prefer, because I know agency pay more, isn't it? Well, sometimes this permanent job, sometimes some of these people pay more too. Yes, so don't be discouraged working as permanent staff, because I know lots of people complain that permanent job they don't pay them as much as agency pay. But trust me, I feel like these days staffs are getting treated well now. So that is it for today's video. I needed to end this vlog, so that's why I decided to like complete the vlog. So we've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video interesting and fun, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.